Welcome to Tips and Tricks to shop faster and more efficiently with Dumpling. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you a number of action-packed demos to do just that. Let's get started. We've all been shopping for a client when we open up the shopping list and realize that they've added a number of custom items without pictures or categories, which slows down the shopping experience. Within the Boss app, you can greatly improve your shopping efficiency by opening up the items that are uncategorized and add a specific category. And when you make these changes, it'll be saved on the client's shopping list. So next time they order, you will see those items in the correct category. Let me show you how. From the Boss app, you can click on any item that says custom, select edit item, and then you can change the name of the item. You can add a picture. If you're in the store with the actual item, you can actually take a picture of that item while shopping, and we can attach that as we see here. Now there's an image, and then I will add a category for this in the baby category and hit save. And now you'll see you have a baby category with an image and description. This is for other items, for example, classic hummus. We can come in here, hit edit item again, select a photo from our library or take a picture. And then we can add a category for this as well. And maybe your client even asked to increase the quantity, so we can add the quantity to 2, and we'll hit save. And now you'll see we have baby and deli category now added to our shopping list. Now after you close that order and the client then opens up their shopping list in the Dumpling app, they will also see those same images as well as categories that you've added. So next time they check out and you get the shopping list, you will see all those items and all the hard work you put into categorizing them show up in your new shopping list. Now what I just showed you also works for custom items that are in catalog stores such as Publix and Costco. So if you get an order for a store like Publix, when you open up the shopping list, you will see most of the items that have been added from our catalog already have categories, images, and prices. Though clients can always add custom items. So if you see a item added with the custom label, like whole milk, you can also go ahead and repeat the same process I just showed you by clicking in the item, going to edit item, and then we can attach an image of milk, which we'll do here while we're shopping. And then we can also add a category at Publix, and we'll use dairy. And now you will see that item has been added to your dairy section, so you can shop more efficiently. And the next time your client orders that same item, it will have the same image as well as that category. In addition to editing items, you can also add items directly to your client's shopping list. To do that, click the 3 dots ellipsis at the top right, select add item, and now you can come in and type in the name of the item. In this case, we'll say green grapes. You can take a picture while you're shopping or choose from your library, like we'll do here. And then we'll add a category, fruits and vegetables. And then we'll increase the quantity to 2 bunches and hit add item. And now you'll see that item has been added to that category in your shopping list. There's a note that says it was added by you on the date. And then next time your client orders this item, it will have the same picture and category. Now that you know how to edit items and add items, this opens up new opportunities for you to help first-time clients or repeat clients quickly order shopping items. So you can imagine a first-time client, instead of creating their entire list from scratch, they could go into the Dumpling app, add in, write an item, and they can just say, I will send you my list. And then after they check out, they can come and text you or message you from the app. They can attach their list, which they just wrote by hand. And send that. And now, let me show you in the Boss app. When we open the Boss app, we will see that order for Farmer's Market. If we open up the shopping list, we'll see one item has been added that just says, I will send you my list. You can then open up that list. Here we have it in chat. And as you're shopping at the Farmer's Market or any other store, you can again hit the ellipsis in the top right, select Add Item, and we'll go ahead and add bananas. We'll add a picture while we're there. And a category. And we'll hit Add Item. And now you'll see that item has been added. And you can now go through the whole process. If it's easier for you, especially for a client that struggles with building a shopping list, you can add the items for them as they shop. And then when they open up the app the next time, they will see their entire list built out so they can quickly reorder next time. Let's now talk about how you can quickly use messaging to shop more efficiently for your clients' orders. When you first get to the store, in this case we'll say Aldi, we'll open up that order, and you'll notice that option here is to notify your client that you have started shopping. And by doing this, it attaches a picture of the Aldi logo. I just arrived at Aldi to shop for your order. Please let me know if you need anything else. And I'll hit send, and that will automatically send your client a message. And then that lets your client know that you're shopping so they can be ready for any messages that they get around replacements or other options for their list. Now, when you're going through their list, we'll click View List. You'll notice we can see all the custom items we've added as well as edits we've made. If I click on any of these items, rather than clicking Edit, I can click Message Item, and that will send a message with the picture of that item that I can then put a comment on for my client. Or in many cases, if I'm doing a replacement, I can select Suggest Replacement. And then in this case, I can say choose from library. And then I will make a very poor replacement with Frosted Flakes, going from baby food to Frosted Flakes. And then I say, are you okay with this replacement? Baby pouch, apple, sweet potato. And there's a picture of what they ordered, and then a picture of what I'm standing in front of suggesting for replacement. So that allows you to very quickly message your client about replacements. And then if any items are eventually replaced, you can hit the replace button and actually say you're going to replace this item with something else. It's good to notify your client about that as well, or mark it as unavailable. And finally, one of the best things you can do to shop more efficiently actually happens before you even leave your house. We suggest you open up every order for the day to confirm the information. So you can come here and look at the order, confirm the delivery address. You can press View List. You can now browse your client's list for any specific questions you might have or notes they've added. You can confirm your card funding. So here we're showing that the estimate for this order is $200 and you currently have $450 on your card. You can also look at any notes you've added for this client in the past. So we can click on the client here. Any notes I've added are shown at the top, as well as any surveys they've completed, and preferences and feedback to you is all available within the Boss app. With that, you are now ready to shop faster and more efficiently using Dumpling. To summarize, we reviewed how you can edit custom items to add pictures and categories. You can also add items on behalf of your client. And then using those techniques to add items as well as editing items, you can actually build out the entire shopping list for your clients to make their first and repeat shops much faster and more efficient. You can also take advantage of the built-in messaging in the Boss app, where you can send messages when you arrive to the store, as well as quickly add comments about replacements. And finally, remember that shopping faster begins before you even leave your house. So make sure you review your client's list, check your card funding, and check the delivery address before you leave. With that, happy shopping.